Hi there, Tanya from Talkpush here. I've prepared a tutorial video for you on how to set up your calendar. This video will cover 4 easy steps. Sync your calendar, set up the length of availability and time slots, customize the automated messages, and lastly, creating a quick reply template to share your calendar link to the candidates. Now, let's begin. First, you'll need to log into your Talkpush account. And on the upper right corner, select the account settings and choose My Calendar. For the first step, you'll need to integrate your calendar account by choosing any of these providers. Let me select Google for this tutorial. Tick I agree, then click on Link Account. Log in using the email account you would like to connect. Lastly, click on Allow. For the second step, you'll need to set up your availability. You can determine the length of any individual time that can be booked. The default time slot is set to an hour. Let's move on to activating and deactivating the time slots. You can easily drag or click to activate and deactivate the slots. Green means active and white means inactive. For this demo, I'll make my lunch break unavailable and limit my availability till 5 p.m. Then save. Now for the third step, let's configure your automated messages. There are 3 types of messages which will be sent to the candidates. First is the confirmation message. This message will be sent out as soon as the candidate has confirmed his or her schedule. You can use the default template which is set up in the message box. Otherwise, feel free to edit the message yourself. Moving on to the previous day reminder. This message will be sent out a day before the confirmed schedule. For this demo, I will leave the message template as is. Lastly, for the same day reminder, this message will be sent on the interview day itself. Let me add some reminders to this message. Then save. That's it. Congratulations! You have completed your calendar setup. Now, let's move on to the exciting part. For candidates to be able to set up their schedule, you'll need to share your calendar token. There are 2 ways to do this. First, you can manually type in the message. Or better yet, create a quick reply which you can use as a template. Don't forget to insert my calendar token. Once you're ready, click on My Leads to send this to them. Key in that your quick reply and select. You can choose the available messaging platform for this candidate. In this demo, I will just send this via email. The confirmed schedule will be visible in your calendar. Click on the calendar icon and select the date. As you can see, this candidate is now visible in your calendar. That's it. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. I'll catch up with you soon.